Hello, my name is Peter Simpson. I'm the service director for Porsche Owings Mills, and we are very pleased to introduce you to our entry into this year's Porsche Restoration Challenge. Behind us, we have a 2004 911 C4S, one of our favorite models Porsche has ever produced, and we used the inspiration of the new Dakar to give what we thought Porsche may have produced in the early 2000s if they made that special edition back then. So to start with, again, it was a 2004 911 C4S, one of the best rear ends on a car I think we all can agree on. We found this example out in California. It was a 3-owner car, very well taken care of, meticulously documented for all the maintenance, and it also came from the factory with some special options. One thing you don't usually see on these C4Ss is the aero kit. So it came with a factory wing, came with a factory short shifter, a factory sport exhaust, and a factory full leather interior. So to start with such a great example makes our job a little easier, but we had a big build ahead of us to turn into what you see behind me now. So inspiration for the car again came from the new Dakar that was launched this year. Porsche took their phenomenal new 911, raised the suspension, made it the ultimate off-road machine. So we wanted to see what we could do with our 2004. The first big thing you probably noticed on it is the raised suspension. We used modified Bilstein coilovers to achieve our ride height. We used GT3 adjustable suspension components to maintain the proper geometry of the suspension. And then we chose the biggest wheels and tires we could fit underneath the car. As well as the main feature from the Dakar was the roof rack system. So we opted to go with what we thought the roof rack would have looked like in the early 2000s. We chose KC round headlights for the light bar system. We also took the opportunity as winter ski enthusiasts to put a set of Porsche skis on the roof rack. Doing this build was a very special opportunity for us. We are all car enthusiasts at our dealership here. We all have passion for the brand. And when the meeting at the beginning of the year was brought up whether or not we were going to do an entry, we jumped all over it. So we would love to send our thanks out to everyone that was involved in this project, especially Barry Stoller for giving us the opportunity and believing in our team to get this done. I also want to thank my great team of technicians I have for building this wonderful machine behind us. I want to thank Anthony, who lent us the use of his Dakar for filming. I also want to thank Mike for being our film crew driver, and also want to thank Will for taking his time out of his weekend for filming this wonderful project. We got some great footage, so without further ado, let's see what this car can do.